Hello, hi guys, welcome to my channel Data Analytic. In this video, can learn from today's DAX function. What is the three? What is MTD? What is YTD? And what is QTD? Also can see, right? And also, what is MTD is the month to date, and YTD is year to date, and QTD is a quarter to date. Also can look in from this. And also, I already to import my data set from here, and you can see the step by step how to find the what is MTD and YTD and QTD. Yes, can go with. Yes, yes. So first have to create a one new table, right? First go with the table view. As you have to create a one date column, click it. I have to create a new table. Click it the new table. Yes, you can see. Yes. Now you can write the one query. One tax function. I have to write the one tax function. Is the date. Have to give the one name. Is the date equal to calendar. Is the what is minimum of invoice, right? And close the bracket, comma, and maximum invoice, close the bracket, same. Yes, now enter. Yes, now you can see that I have date. The column is date column is ready. Now have to only I need the date column and no need the time, right? How to remove also can see, right? Click the date column. Yes, you can see the format, and they have see the variants of data formats are available, right? And choose the one format. This I have choose this format. Click it. Now you can see there's. Yes, 0 January 2022, right? And go with the next is the module. Go with the module view. Have to give the relation between the two tables, right? Now, what is the date column versus invoice date, right? Is the both are given the relationship, right? You can see. Yes, once again, yeah. Yes, can have to give the relationship in the both the tables. That is one is the module view. Let's go the report view. How to create a one. Let's go how to give first can go with the MTD, right? What is the MTD is month to date, right? Go with the page 2. As you look at how to create a one measure first, how to create a new measure, click the new measure. Yeah, and small advice guys, if you like this, you can like and subscribe my channel. If you need any data analyst project or if you any doubts, I will give the description for my email ID. Along with I will give the Instagram and Telegram links, and please follow and regularly posting from the job updates along with interview questions also. Okay, let's go. What is my is MTD, right? MTD equal to what? Total MTD as the what is the sum of total sales, close the bracket, comma, what is my date column is date. Yes, look at see. Yes, and close the bracket. Yes, enter. Yeah, now you can see MTD month to date is ready. How to get one, how to take the one table. Yes, take the one table. How to write the total, it's the total. Yes, now and the what is the total sales also can need. How to enter the total sales, and I need the what is MTD, right? Where is MTD? Yeah, look it's MTD. Yes, now you can see the what is MTD was performed that. Now you can January is the first day is 11,951, right? Is the same MTD also 11,951. Now what is January 2 is the 9,766 is the January 2, right? Now look at from the year 21,714. Why means have to add the 2 is the 11,951 plus 9,766 plus is the 21,717.60, right? Same one more is the 9,332 plus. Again you can add the 30,744. You can add the one by one. You can see what that is called MTD is a month to date, right? Let's go one more. You can disable the MTD. Yes, now let's go one more is YTD, year to date. You can see. Yeah, look at from again we have to create a one new measure and have to create a right click and have to see the new measure. Yes, yes, what is the YTD, right? YTD, one second. Yes, YTD equal to total YTD And what is expression is sum of total sales and close the bracket, comma, use the date column, date of, yes, look at and close the bracket and enter. Is a YTD, right? Now click the YTD also. Yes, can is it 1 second? Can I will remove this? Yes, have to click the YTD. Yes. Now same like that only. They have it have to calculate the yearly wise. Now you can see the year 2022 is 11,951. Is a year also YTD is 11,951 only. But you can look at from this 2022 same again. Again you can add the 11,951 plus 9,766, right? Now you can see the 2022 and you can see the one more year also. Look at it. Can easy to understand, right? Yes, where is that? Yeah. Now look at this. Is a 2023 is January 1st is a 9,240, and you can look at this 9,240, right? Now what is the 2023 is a 2 is a 9,948 plus 19,189.10, right? You can add the two first and second is a 19,189, right? Yeah. Now YTD also completed. Let's go is the last one is QTD, right? Is a quarter to date, right? Same go with and disable YTD, right? Disable YTD. How to create a one more measure? Right click and how to see the new measure? Yes. Yeah. Can is QTD. QTD quarter to date and sum of, sorry, total QTD and sum of, what is the column is total sales and close the bracket, comma, and what is the my date format is date column, can write the date column and close the bracket and enter. Can quarter, can is it to calculate the quarter wise, can calculate, right? And where is it? Yes, now I have to QTD, right? Click and click the QTD. Yes, now look at from this. Same like that only 11,951 is the 9,766 plus 21,717. Now you can see the ads January. Now look at from the quarter two is the difference. Yes, now you can see the quarter two also is a difference of April 1st is a 2,419, same 2,419. Look at this one more, it's a day two 3,870.50. Look at 6,289. 3 plus 4 5, you can have the 6,289, right? Yeah, is the both three concepts are completed. What is MTD and what is QTD, and MTD, YTD, QTD concepts are completed. And if you like this, you will like and subscribe my channel.